Hey, what's up everyone? Have you ever had your headlights on this condition? Well, on today's video I will show you how to make your headlights to look from this to this. Alright, step number one, what we're gonna do is, before we start sanding the headlights, we're gonna cover with masking tape all around the headlights. We don't want to, to make scratch on the paint on the hood or everything around the headlight assembly. Alright, before we start sanding, we have to make sure we spray water on the headlight to keep better lubrication and on the sandpaper, and to start removing all the oxidation. You see how creamy it is? That means all the oxidation is coming off from the headlights. So let's keep going. Now we're done with the 400 grit. We're gonna switch to the 1000 grit to start making the surface smoother. Let's keep going. Now we're done with the 1000 grit. We're gonna move on to 1500 grit. Let's keep sanding. So now we're done on the sanding process. The headlight right now is very smooth. You might see some scratches on the plastic of results of the sanding process, but we're gonna take care of it with the buffing process. I will be using some ultimate compound with a foam buffing pad. So let's keep going. And let's put some compound. That's perfect. Before I start buffing it, let's clean this up with a microfiber towel. You see it now? That's after the compound, and this is when we finish sanding it. Much better, huh? So now that we're done buffing the headlight with a compound, we're gonna polish it with a liquid wax and a foam polish pad. So let's install the pad on the buffer, and let's keep going. Alright guys, as you can see, we completely restore the headlights. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. If you like the results that we got on the headlights and found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends and give me a huge like. Leave your comments down below of the process that we did on the headlights. If you have any other methods or you use another products, just leave me your comments down below. And please don't forget to turn on your post notification and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any future content that I will be posting soon. Alright guys, like always, see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.